Good morning, friends. Today we just start accounts of 12th standard. Normally, first of all, we just start part one of account. Part one जो है is totally based on partnership. टोटल 7 चैप्टर है. इस पूरी बुक का वेटेज 52% है. 12th में हमारे पास अकाउंट की 2 बुक्स है. फर्स्ट बुक इज बेस्ड ऑन पार्टनरशिप एंड सेकंड बुक इज बेस्ड ऑन कंपनी. सो from today just start a first part of account which is partnership. In first book total 7 chapters there. First one, introduction of partnership. Second one is final account of partnership. Third one is goodwill. Fourth one is reconstruction of partnership firm. Fifth one is admission of new partner. Sixth one is retirement or date of partner. And seventh one is dissolution of partnership firm. First of all, we start session and chapter which is easy or scoring. So from today, we start the third chapter which is valuation of goodwill. Okay, the third chapter I have found valuation of goodwill. Goodwill वर्ड आपने शायद सुना होगा 11th स्टैंडर्ड में. आज उस पे हम एक पूरा टॉपिक समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. नॉर्मली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुडविल है क्या? व्हाट इज गुडविल? अगर हम बात करें डेफिनेशन की तो गुडविल इज एन इंटेंजिबल एसेट व्हिच इज रिप्रेजेंट द प्रेस्टीज of a business. Goodwill is an intangible asset which is represent the prestige of a business. Okay. तो पहले बात करते हैं कि इस चैप्टर में से कितने मार्क्स का आएगा बोर्ड के एग्जाम में. नॉर्मली हम जो स्टडी करेंगे इस एग्जाम बेस. ओके. सो इस चैप्टर में टोटल वेट है 6 मार्क्स. 1 MCQ, 1 question answer, and 4 marks sum. हम ये सम सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे. ये 4 नंबर का सम आता है जो सेक्शन डी में आता है. यहाँ टोटल गुडविल की वैल्यू फाइंड करने की 4 मेथड है. First one is average profit method. Second one is weighted average profit method. Third one is super profit method, and fourth one is capitalized profit method. Which four method? First one is average profit method. Second one is weighted average profit method. Third one is super profit method, and fourth one is capitalized profit method. इन 4 मेथड में से हम 2 मेथड आज सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट मेथड इज एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड. एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड. एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड से गुडविल फाइंड करने की टोटल 2 स्टेप है. कुछ फॉर्मूला है वो हम नोट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर फाइंड आउट द एवरेज प्रॉफिट. ओके. सो हियर एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू टोटल प्रॉफिट डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ ईयर. टोटल प्रॉफिट को नंबर ऑफ ईयर से डिवाइड करने से क्या मिलेगा हमको? एवरेज प्रॉफिट। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड आउट हियर एवरेज प्रॉफिट। द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू टोटल प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ईयर। नाउ सेकंड स्टेप, गुडविल। The formula of goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchasing year of goodwill. So this is the first method, average profit method. In average profit method, we have two steps. First of all, let's try to find out average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of year. And second step is goodwill. To find out goodwill, the formula of goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchasing year. Okay. Let me give an example. Okay. Example start करते हैं हम. Example. From the given information, find the goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of goodwill. Okay. Here, profit is given. Sorry, here is given in profit. Here 2010-11, 2011-12, 2012-13, and profit is 40,000, 50,000, and 60,000. 30,000. Here we have one sum. For example, from the following information, find out the goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase. Here is given, profit is given. So here first of all we have find out the average profit. Okay. So average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of year. Total profit. Total profit means 40,000 plus 50,000 plus 30,000. 40 plus 50, 90. 90 plus 30 means 1,20,000 divided by number of year. 1, 2, 3. 3 years. So divided by 3. Okay. So here average price should be 40,000. Now next step is goodwill. The formula of goodwill is average profit into number of purchasing year. The formula of goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchasing year. Here average profit is 40,000. Number of purchasing year. Here 3-year purchase. So 3. So 40,000 into 3, that means 1,20,000. So here value of goodwill is 1,20,000. Okay. I hope so. First method is clear to you. Okay. This is the first method to find out the value of goodwill. Average profit method. Okay. I hope so. It is clear to you. Now we have moved to the next method, which is weighted average profit method. Now, second method is weighted average profit method. Okay. Which one? Weighted average profit method. This method to find out the value of goodwill, weighted average profit method. Here also we have two steps. First of all, let's try to find out weighted average profit. So here formula of weighted average profit is equal to total weighted profit divided by total weight. Okay. Here weight, the second name of weight is impedance. Okay, impedance and weight both are same. Okay, so weighted average profit find करने का formula है बस total weighted profit divided by total weight. Second formula is same, goodwill. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of purchasing year. This is the two step to find out the value of goodwill by method of weighted average profit method. First of all, we try to find out weighted average profit. Weighted average profit का formula है total weighted profit divided by total weight. And second step to find out the goodwill, the formula is goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of purchasing year. Okay. From the following information, find out the value of goodwill on the basis of 2-year purchase. Okay. Profit year and profit year 2010 11, 2011 12, 2012 13, 2013 14. Profit suppose 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 and 70,000. Okay. Now, one confusion is there. When we are used which method? When we use simple average profit method or when we use weighted average profit method? So there is one rules. Okay, if clarification is there, then there is no problem. If clarification is not there, then if profit is continuous increase, then we use weighted average profit. Here, profit 40,000. Next year profit 50,000, next year profit 60,000, next year 70,000. Here, look at the profit. Profit is continuous increase. If profit is continuous increase, then we use weighted average profit method instead of simple average profit method. Okay. So here profit is increased, then we use which method? Weighted average profit method. Okay. So here year is given 2010, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13 and 13, 14. Profit is given 40, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Okay. Now we give a weight, that's importance. Okay, importance will give in ascending order. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as order. Okay. Now we find out here weighted profit. Weighted profit. Now how do you find out weighted profit? Weighted profit is equal to profit into weight. So here 40,000 into 1, that means 40,000. 50,000 into 2 means 1 lakh. 60,000 into 3 means 180. 70,000 into 4, then 280. If I have got wrong. Okay. Now we find out weighted average profit. The formula is total weighted profit divided by total weight. Total weighted profit. Weighted profit total 40,000 plus 1 lakh, 140, 140 plus 180, 140 plus 80, 2 lakh 20,000 plus 1 lakh, 320, 320 plus 80, 4 lakh, 4 lakh plus 2 lakh, 6 lakh. Here total weight 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So here total weighted profit should be 6 lakh divided by total weight. Total weight 10. So here 6 lakh divided by 10. That means 60,000. Clear? Now we find out the goodwill. We have a formula of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of purchasing year. Okay. So weighted average profit is 6,000. Number of purchasing year. Here, basis of 2-year purchase. 2-year purchase. So into 2. 160 into 2. That means 120. So here a value of goodwill is 1 lakh 20,000. Is it? Okay. One more time. From the following information, we have find out the value of goodwill on the basis of 2-year purchase. Okay. Distribution year is given, profit is given. Here. Why we have to say weighted average profit? Why we use this method? Because here profit is continuously increase. In a previous example, profit is okay in fluctuating manner. That's why we are using simple average. Here profit is continuously increase. That's why we are going to use weighted average profit method. Okay. First of all, we just give the weight in ascending order. Weighted profit is equal to profit into weight. Then find out total weighted profit. Total weight formula of weighted average profit is equal to total weighted profit divided by total weight. Total weighted profit is equal to 6 lakh divided by total weight 10. So 6 lakh by 10, that means 60,000. Next, goodwill. The formula of goodwill is weighted average profit into number of purchasing year. Weighted average profit is 60,000. That we already find out. Number of purchasing year is given 2 years. So 2, 60 to 2, 120. This is the value of goodwill. Okay. So today we are learn two methods to find out the value of goodwill. One is average profit method and second one is weighted average profit. Okay. So fast आज हमने क्या देखा? या फिर से देख लेते हैं. गुडविल जो चैप्टर है उसका टोटल वेट 6 मार्क का है, एक एमसीक्यू आता है, एक क्वेश्चन आंसर 1 मार्क का और 4 मार्क का एक सम है. ओके. तो 4 मार्क का सम है उसमें टोटल 4 मेथड है. First method, average profit method. Second method, weighted average profit method. Third method, super profit method. And fourth method is capitalized profit method. Okay. उसमें से हमने 2 मेथड सीखी है. First थी वो थी average profit method and second है weighted average profit method. पहले goodwill क्या होता है? What is goodwill? Goodwill is an intangible asset which is representative prestige of business. Okay. उसके बाद दो मेथड सीखी, दो मेथड के दो स्टेप है। फर्स्ट मेथड है एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड। एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड में गुडविल फाइंड करने के दो स्टेप है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर फाइंड आउट द average profit. A formula of average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of year. Or second step, to find out the value of goodwill, a formula of goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchasing year of goodwill. Second method is weighted average profit method. Weighted average profit method के दो स्टेप है। First of all, we find out the average weighted average profit. वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट का फार्मूला है टोटल वेटेड प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वेट एंड सेकंड गुडविल इज इक्वल टू वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड इनटू नंबर ऑफ परचेसिंग ऑफ गुडविल। आज ये दो मैंने सीखी, कल हम और दो मैंने सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे। कल हम एक चैप्टर ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज कर देंगे। ओके।